Beyond passports, the rise of biometric decentralized identity in post-border societies. Think about the last time you traveled internationally. You had to pack your bags, head to the airport, and stand in a long line. When you finally reached the front of that line, you had to pull out a small paper booklet with a photo of your face inside. A border official looked at the photo, looked at you, and stamped a page. We take this process for granted because we have done it our entire lives. But if you stop and think about it, it is quite extraordinary that in a world where we can buy things with a tap of a phone, manage our bank accounts from a beach, and video call someone on the other side of the planet, our international identity still relies on a physical piece of paper. The traditional passport system was designed over a century ago for a world that moved much slower. Today, our world is hyper-connected. Millions of people travel every day for business, tourism, and relocation. Relying on a physical booklet creates a massive bottleneck. Passports can be lost, they can be stolen, and they can be forged. More importantly, they require us to hand over a massive amount of our private information to multiple people every time we cross a border. We are beginning to see the early stages of a major shift. We are moving away from paper documents toward a future where identity is digital, seamless, and entirely under your own control. This is the foundation of what we call a post-border society. It does not mean a world without rules or security. Instead, it means a world where borders become invisible and smooth because the technology behind them has evolved. So, how do we replace a paper passport without losing security? The answer lies in technology you probably already use every day. When you unlock your phone using your face or fingerprint, your phone does not actually save a photograph of your face in a folder. Instead, it takes a look at your unique features and turns them into a complex mathematical code. This code is called a biometric hash. It is a one-way street, meaning a computer can use your face to verify the code, but someone cannot take that code and turn it back into a picture. Now, imagine taking that unique mathematical code and placing it onto a secure, shared digital ledger called a blockchain. Think of a blockchain simply as a digital notebook that is copied across thousands of computers around the world. Because it exists in so many places at once, no single person or government can secretly alter the information inside it. It is completely resilient. When you combine your unique biometric code with this secure digital network, you get something called a decentralized identity. This means your digital passport lives securely on your own personal device, like your phone, rather than in a massive government database. To make this even safer, the system uses a concept called zero-knowledge proofs. Imagine going to a store and needing to prove you are old enough to buy a specific product. Normally, you hand over your physical ID card. The clerk can see your name, your birthday, and your home address. They see far more information than they actually need to know. With a zero-knowledge proof, your digital passport acts like a green light. When a border system scans your device, it mathematically confirms that you are a valid citizen and have permission to travel without ever revealing your actual name or birth date. When you make identity digital and private, the way we interact with cities and nations changes entirely. This technology becomes a core piece of the modern smart city. Imagine landing at an international airport in the near future. Instead of waiting in a long queue, you simply walk through a smooth walkway. Discrete sensors verify your digital credential as you move. In less than a millisecond, the system confirms your identity, checks your travel authorization, and unlocks the gate. You never have to stop walking, and you never have to hand your personal documents to a stranger. This frictionless experience extends far beyond the airport gate. Advanced communities, such as those in Malta and the GCC region, are looking at these identity frameworks to streamline everything. If you are a global investor, a programmable identity means you can verify compliance, buy a property, or access premium municipal services instantly. You do not need to fill out endless stacks of paperwork. The state transitions from a physical office full of filing cabinets into a highly efficient digital platform. Whenever we talk about digital identity and biometrics, it is natural to ask a vital question. Is this safe, and who controls my data? Under the old system, governments and corporations build massive, centralized databases. These are incredibly attractive targets for hackers. If one database is breached, millions of people lose their private information. Decentralized identity completely flips this model. Because your data is anchored to your personal device, there is no central database to hack. You hold the master key to your own information. You choose exactly when to share your verification light. It provides absolute privacy preservation while making the network resilient. For policymakers, community leaders, and global citizens, this is the ultimate optimization of security and mobility. It allows us to move freely, protect our personal privacy, and build trust in an automated world. We are entering a time of true data sovereignty. Is your organization, community, or business prepared for this shift toward machine speed mobility? Let us know your thoughts below and subscribe to The Urban Brain for more breakdowns. Visit usmanzafar.com to schedule an enterprise advisory consultation. Stay strategic.